Hello there. My name is Wendolyn Davis. I'm a Robbins Madanes trained relationship life coach and a health coach, and I just am passionate about so many things. But my favorite that I'm most passionate about is overcoming to become and having a healthy mind, a healthy heart, and healthy relationships, and getting off autopilot and empowering ourselves because we have everything we need within us. But we don't know that, some of us. And we just keep living that life on autopilot where we do the same thing over and over and we keep beating ourselves up. And how's that working for you? Not very fulfilling, is it? And so I'm here to teach you options, that there is always a choice, always. And the power lies in changing our state. So we're going to talk about a couple things in this video. We're going to review the triad, which was talked about a couple videos back, and learn more about incantations and how we can use these two to change our state, because your state is the energy and emotion that you bring to the moment. And there's disempowering states such as overwhelm, worry, fear, frustration, irritation, anger, or there's empowering states, peace, calm, love, so many more that feel a heck of a lot better, right? Which one you want to choose, empowering or disempowering? So here again is how you get off autopilot and get your power back. When you change your state, you change your story and your actions, and that's how you get the result you want. So one of the ways you can change your state, first you got to be aware of what the heck you're feeling. If you're frustrated and irritated, stop and ask yourself why. A couple of days ago, yes, I was irritated. And I'm like, wait, I don't want to live my day this way. And so I stopped and I just simply asked myself, why are you irritated, Wendolyn? What's going on? And so I could identify what was causing that and then choose what I was going to do with it, whether I was going to keep the state of being irritated or get my power back and have that peace that I desire. That's what I did. I did the work and I did that triad where I stood and I practiced the calm. How's my body standing when I want to feel calm? I put my hands on my chest. I slow my breathing and I focus on a place where I felt calm before and I review my thoughts. Oh, you can do this. You do hard things all the time. So that's how I brought calm back into my body. And then there's the incantations that I say over and over again that helps to replace that negative narrative, which doesn't help us. So the triad again is physiology, what's happening in your body. When you're angry, irritated, frustrated, you're not standing confident. You're probably whatever your body is, but it's affecting your focus and your language. So just simply changing one of these can change your state. So what's the emotion you want to feel? And how would you stand or sitting? What would that feel like in your body? And what are you focused on? What are your beliefs? And then what's your language? Find the state that you want. And again, I have my card right here to remind me about practicing calm. And I have another one for certainty, because those are some emotions I really like. Be sure you have your triad. Then on to incantations. Incantations are powerful verbal and physical affirmations designed to reprogram your mind and emotions through repetition, intensity, and embodiment. Incantation is a statement of belief with absolute conviction, emotion, and physical energy that conditions your nervous system to believe what you're saying. So it's more than just words. It's changing your state by engaging your body, voice, and emotions simultaneously. So one of my favorite incantations I do on the rebounder about being a leader. Now I am a voice. I will lead, not follow. I will believe, not doubt. I will create, not destroy. I am a force for good. I am a leader. I am a child of God. Defy the odds, Wendolyn. Go forth with faith and trust him. Let go and love more. And I added let them. And then step up, step up, step up. And then I do meditations that have mantras. I am light, I am love, I am peace, which gives me the emotion and the empowered state that I want. And then that's driving my actions and helping me get the results I want for that day. Incantations are used to shift your emotional state instantly. It works. Try it yourself. Incantations are used to replace disempowering beliefs with empowering ones and to create new neural pathways and to prime your body and your mind for success, confidence, and resilience. You want those? It feels good, so why not? It's an option. So here's how you get off autopilot and quit beating yourself up and becoming the version of you that you want. It's the best thing ever to overcome. Overcome the fear, the doubt, the obstacles, the overwhelm, things that have stopped us for years of becoming the version of us that we want to be. And my friends, it's invaluable to have a coach to show you different strategies and help you change your story. Because sometimes we're so stuck in our story, we don't see our options. And with the health coach part of me too, you got the wellness part. So the whole part of you is covered. So sign up for that free consult so you can start making your plan for your life and becoming the version of you that you want. You'll be amazed that you really do have everything within you to become the version of you that you want. All right, my friends, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.